In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an n8n Docker container. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is stop and remove the old container. So open Docker Desktop on your computer and take a look at the left sidebar. You want to click on Containers to see all the running instances. Next, find your active n8n container. If it's running, go ahead and click the Stop button to halt it. Once the container is stopped, you'll notice a trash bin icon appears. Clicking this will remove the old container completely. But don't worry, if you've set up a persistent volume for your workflows, all that data will remain safe and sound. Now that we've cleaned up the old container, it's time to pull the latest n8n image. Head back over to the left sidebar, this time clicking on Images. Make sure you're under the Local tab. Here you should see the list of images you've downloaded, including your current n8n image. Next to it, you'll find a three-dot menu. Click on that and then select the option to pull. What this does is download the most up-to-date version of n8n from Docker Hub. After a few moments, the download will finish, and then you can clean up by removing the old image. It usually will show up as named None. Simply click the trash icon next to it to remove it from your system. With the old container gone and the latest image pulled, we can now spin up the new container. Click on the new n8n image that you just downloaded and hit the Run button. This is where things get a tad more detailed, as we need to set up some optional settings to relink to your previous configurations. For the name, let's stick with n8n. Under host port, put in 5678. Now, we need to ensure that our data directory is mapped correctly so that no workflows are lost. For the host path, depending on your system, you will use either cusersusername.n8n if you're on Windows or /username/n8n if you're using Mac. This is super important. Then, for the container path, you should input /home node/.n8n. Okay, once all this is set, go ahead and click the Run button again. The new container will start up and Docker will show you the logs. Just give it a few moments until you see a message indicating that n8n is ready. And there you have it. To make sure everything is working properly, open up your web browser and navigate to localhost 678. This is where your n8n instance lives. On the sidebar, locate the What's New section, and it should clearly state that you are now running the latest version of n8n. And that's it for today. You've successfully updated your n8n Docker container. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.